So very good morning, everyone. My name is Yusuf. I work with Tally. This session has been made successful just because of one of our esteemed partner, Tally Global Software. They've got a global presence in India, Africa, and UAE. Before we start a session, I like to set a certain ground rule. Entire throughout the session, we'll keep all the participants on mute mode. If you have any questions, anything, you can put it on the chat box. I am being shadowed with my team, Anirudh and Aksha and Smith. So they'll be answering your question one by one if required. And if there's any other question, you can just write it on chat box. I'll also take it between the session as well. So all the participants will be kept on mute mode. Over and above, what we will be doing is we are recording this session. So for the further reference, if anyone wants to refer to the recording, we will be recording the session for future reference. So let's dive into the session. Welcome to Global Group. We have a global presence in India, UAE, Tanzania, Angola. Uh, Tele Global Software, they are a gold partner in UAE, and they are one of our partner who promotes only Tele products and service. And they've got an expertise from support to the customization. They have got a customer base with all most of the SMEs and big companies as well. Experience the power of Prime banking with all new Tally Prime. So if you are using Tally ERP 9 or if you're using Tally Prime 1.0, you'll be seeing a lot of changes what we have brought into the product, which is the latest product, which is Tally Prime 6.0. I think we have a chat. Yeah. So just Anirudh, I like you to just add participants because there are people who are.
Yeah. I'm doing.
So yeah. So without further ado, we'll be experiencing the power of Prime banking with all new Tally Prime 6.0. So if you've seen Tally Prime from the day we have launched till today, we have got F12 go to feature wherever in any screen whenever you want you can press F12 and get more detail of the product, detail of that report and that screen. Then we brought up saved view and filtered report, which really helps you in terms of saving all your records, all your saving all your reports and keeping it at the go where you can use it for your reference. Then we have brought an dashboard, which is nothing but which gives you a bird eye view of your business. It can be customized based on the users. Then with later we got integration with a third party application like WhatsApp. Then we brought in Excel import and multilingual functionality. In the latest one, we have got a Prime banking, which where you'll be seeing it in next some slides. Over and above, Tally Prime is all full-fledged available on cloud. If you are a Tally user, you can access it on cloud by if you are a Tally user, you wanted to use it from anywhere, everywhere with the click of button, you can go to you can connect with your partner. They can help you and do an entire hand holding in terms of connecting your Tally on cloud as well. So with a click of button, you can access it anywhere, everywhere. You can take a backup and it's 100% secure. So without further ado, what we'll be learning today. So in this session, automate your accounting using bank statement, smart bank reconciliation, and connected banking. These are the three heads what we'll be talking today. And please do ensure that we keep doing this session on a regular basis to up uh, to increase the knowledge on the product and where you when you can learn a lot of new things in Tally as well. So now this with this look back of Tally Prime journey. So now what we have done is the entire session I'll be taking an example of Mr. Anjit and Ahmed to learn how everything tallies with perfectly simple Tally. Now, Mr. Anjit is a managing director, age 40, have he's a tech savvy, ambitious first gen business founded in 2004. Situation and need a business management software that simplify quick and setup. Doesn't need any training. Solution what we have proposed. So this is just an example solution what we propose, a seamless tally which can seamless his business using to comfortably manage books of his account. Then situation need with the right technology and automation business scale up and got busy handling more client in the business development and solution hire an accountant. So what Anjit had a business and now he has hired an accountant. Accountant is Mr. Ahmad. He is experienced, hardworking, sincere, and knowledgeable in domain and well proficient in tally as well. So now, Mr. Ahmed managed the entire account, happily user from 17 years. Ahmed is impressed with Tally, makes his daily work quicker, accurate, error-free by using Tally. Is delighted and remarkable product update and feature and regarding tally so he has a trust in tally need and use case manage the account process accounting data issuing check depositing payment so all the business transaction is he Mr. Ahmed is doing in tally now a business grew further. Ahmed and Anjit started feeling a blunt on everyday tussle now, slow reconciliation process, getting confused, insufficient tracking of payable and receivable, repetitive and error-prone data entry, bank reconciliation, and resource intense and lack of regular reconciliation. So nothing but see when the business grows, you have bank reconciliation. When if you're using a card machine or you are doing when you're using a bank, you what happens is on a normal practical way whenever you have bank you don't know if you have if you have given a check to somebody today but that gets deposited or clear within 4 days so the bank balance and the account balance are different so that's when the bank reconciliation comes into the picture a lot of manual tussle are there in terms of doing this reconciliation so as the business grew and they had its challenges so, situation being a pro user, everything being smooth for Ahmed. However, one challenge remained bank reconciling a monthly bank statement with numerous transaction, online payment, check fees. It's time consuming and could lead to error due to a daily task. He can only complete the reconciliation after office hours. So he was spending a lot of time in terms of doing a bank reconciliation so, Mr. Anjit need a tech solution, and so now we'll be talking automate accounting by using bank reconciliation. So, Ahmed has to select a bank transaction individually and create a voucher for every transaction. For multiple transaction, same head has to be created, a separate voucher, one on one. I've got some video. I'll play some videos and so I've got a transaction as well, like how you can use a bank reconciliation. I'll show you screen by screen. So now, say for example, you just have to click if you're on release 6.0, you just have to click on import. Just go to the bank statement. Say you've got a multiple bank account, you can select any bank account, say Russell Khema Bank. You can upload the data, support a document. And you press enter it gets you select the CVC file and accept it once you accept it it will give you the entire update so these are instrument date the moment you click on import it will get the import will happen so now it says bank reconciliation summary new entries and exact match are 13 the moment you click yes on S. So there are certain 20, 13 match. You click on bank reconciliation. Now it gives you the entire reconcile data. The moment you available in banks, you can select the transaction. You can with a click of you can select the transaction, press space bar, and you can select multiple transaction at the same time and create multiple vouchers. So now these are the certain transaction. Now you can just select the ledger payment to whom you have done. You can select that as well. And if there is a rent going on, you can select accept and mark as reconciled. So see it gets reconciled. So now out of 16, three transaction gets reconciled. So that's how, so what you can do is with the latest bank reconciliation, you can upload everything in Tally, and with the click of button, you can reconcile it. Now, no need to create a voucher one by one for each transaction. You can select multiple payments. Uh, you can select multiple payments, and for each transaction, with the click of button, you can pass multiple transaction at the same time. Now it's saving a lot of time, and in the instance where multiple related transaction appear in bank, this transaction doesn't require separate entries in books of account, can be consolidated in one voucher. I'll be showing you in this. Say you've got, so let me explain. So there are transaction which we where for same transaction there's multiple entries or multiple records has been done in bank. What you can do is you don't need to record separate entries. You can consolidate in one voucher and you can use it accordingly. So I've got a quick how to do videos. Say there are 16 transaction. You see there'll be a Nile Apparels. Nile Apparels. There are two transactions with similar name. And you can say click on this button and create a consolidate voucher and Nile Apparels, and it takes the entire consolidated voucher other and saved. So the entire out of 16 two transaction you selected, you went to the reconciliation and consolidate reconciliation, and you can do the reconciliation accordingly. Okay, so there are some certain question from so I'll just go back. So there were multiple question how to import. So see, what you can do is how to import bank reconciliation. First, you should be on the latest release of Prime. Then you have to click on an import button. Once you click on import button, go to the bank statement, select the bank. So you've got 25 banks. You can select any 25 any bank from that, and you can select the bank's statement supported. Just in case if your bank statement is not supported, send it to us. Send it to us. Send it to Tally Global. What we'll do is we'll bring that reconciliation within 7 days turnaround time. So we don't, you can remove the transaction amount, you can put one dirhams and we can bring up the exact format. What happens these days, a lot of banks, they keep changing their format. So, but if there is a change in format, you can send the format to Mr. Anirudh Smith, Vivek or AXA, anyone, and we can bring in the changes accordingly. So that's how you can click on import button and you can uh, so I that with that I have reported the import feature import of bank statement. You should be on Tally Prime release 6.0. Click on import and then you can reconcile it accordingly. Now what happens is we were talking about multiple transaction or related transaction that can be consolidated in one voucher. That also I've shown. Now What happens is Ahmed struggles to reconcile single bank
Sir,
with
one
multiple.
doubt. Hello, so sorry. One doubt in that at the time of selection, yeah, did you
Mhm.
selected multiple vouchers same time or
So yeah, I have selected multiple vouchers. You can press space
by
bar
shift,
and you
shift,
can
shift
console.
and tap like that?
Yeah, you can press space bar. You can go to the transaction,
Ah,
press space bar and select multiple
good,
transaction,
good, good. Great, sir.
and then you can do it.
Okay, then, great. Continue, sir.
So now the second scenario is one to many. So what we did it in the what I showed it to you in previous one, there was a related transaction. So one transaction had multiple entries. So some customer who has deposited two times money for the same transaction, you can consolidate two separate entry into one. That I've shown how it will work. Say you select the multiple transaction, you just go to the transaction, see Nile Apparels, press spacebar, then you go to 30th October, Nile Apparels one more time. Go on right, there's an arrow next to reconciliation. Yeah, the create a voucher consolidation. The moment you go to that, automatically it will take the bank. You say Nile Apparels and saved. This transaction gets saved. You don't have to select the payment receipt. Automatically it will collect as it's a receipt you have got or a payment you have got or anything. It will take it accordingly. Likewise, now the second part would be where a single bank transaction with multiple books of so Ahmed still so again building on the same example, Ahmed struggles to reconcile single bank transaction with multiple book transaction or vice versa. He manually reconciles this transaction without any link between the payment and receipt and a bank statement. What if TallyPrime not only helps reconcile in this scenario, but provides a flexible modification of link or unlink and modify or unlink the mapping. So just a small quick video and I'll So with this, I'll just play a video. Play with that video. I'll just show you how uh, you can link and unlink the transaction. See. So by default, what it has done is it has taken all the link transaction, which is giving an exact match. But there are certain transaction where you can just see available in the bank. You can just see here UPI Supreme Computers and see there's one more Supreme Computers on above and it's 36,000 is the payment as per the books of account and in the bank if you see here there is 36,000 but there is no reference number is not doing. You can click a reconcile and it gets reconciled. So it shows in the reconcile. So the entire amount gets reconciled. Now partially reconciliation. So you can go to the partially reconciliation. So it's 3,100 is the amount and you say you did unlink. So I'll just show it to you how it works. So there is a transaction where there is no partially reconciled, but the amount and date was not matching. You can unlink and get the things accordingly. Now, easy reconcile one to many or many to one transaction with this feature. It ensures effortless matching and allows to view the detailed bank transaction in future if needed. Now, Mr. Anjit and Ahmed, after updating to Tally Prime, they can keep the track of their bank balance. They've simplified bank reconciliation. They can efficiently improve the cash flow, gain real time financial insight to plan, allow resources, automate voucher generation and bank reconciliation to eliminate repetitive tasks, enhance bank reconciliation help them to complete activity in a lesser time. Now, Business owner and in-house accountant say bye to trendless process and say hello to seamless efficiency. Let's look at how let's look how prime banking and Excel import combined changes the game for bookkeepers. So now what happens is, say you are a bookkeeping company, or at times what happens if into a bookkeeping business, a customer comes in, yeah, I have got only bank statements. I wanted to create my I'm not maintaining any books of my account. Can you help me create the bank statement or balance sheet or certain things? So yeah, it happens. Say if a company started, you've got a bank account and there are a lot of transaction, and now you have to record later. Now, with the help of Tally Prime Banking and Excel import, it's a game changing for bookkeepers. I'll just show you how it will work. So Anjit has recently started a new subsidiary in Riyadh, initiated, and instead of having in-house accountant, they have outsourced tasks to an Arab bookkeeper, Mr. Bilal. Excel import and smart reconciliation, Mr. Bilal can build and maintain bank reconciliation, reconcile books accurately in minutes. Import sales and purchase transaction can be done. Importing bank statement by using Excel format and using a smart auto bank reconciliation to ensure error free and easy quick access. There are certain questions. Let me take. Hello, sir. The recording is available. Upendra Chaturvedi. Can you? I'll just repeat the partiality reconciliation in a while. So now there are many more features designed to further simplify the bank reconciliation process for the user. Let's have a look of it. So suggestion of for the potential match and advanced configuration. So see now this will show you how the bank reconciliation works. Say available in the bank, potential match. You can click, so which is available in bank. You can click on potential match. It will take the potential match, and then you just have to match it accordingly. So see, there are a certain transaction where you have got some charges or traveling expenses of 4,000. So you can more configure as well. Unique amount with the instrument name number, amount matches instrument number, amount, and you can just do the configuration, and it gives you more filter report, and it gives a filter. So see, the instrument number is same, but the amount was different. With the unique match, you can get the match and you can do the reconciliation accordingly. Now, handling duplicate records. So you have multi duplicate records on the product. How to handle that? I'll just show you. So again, once you click on import bank statement, you select the bank, you select the file what you have uploaded, press yes, center, and it gets uploaded. You click on import, it will give you new entries import, and you will get a summary of it as well. So once you have a bank statement, if that you've got a multiple banks at the multiple statement in the same period, you wanted to see that if is there a new transaction, what you have imported before a new statement has some other transaction, it will import it accordingly. Reset bank reconciliation data without keeping status. This will show you how you can take it up. Say you click on F1 help, you go to troubleshooting, you can go to the reset bank statement data. So if you wanted to reset the bank statement data, what you've got for the certain period, you can just say yes status and retain the reconciliation status. You can select the period and just take a backup before you reset it, or it will just show you take a backup and a destination path. The moment you accept, it will take a reset bank statement, and backup has already been done to the same location. View reconciliation information from voucher and other reports. So now this will really help you in terms of when you have done a reconciliation, if you wanted to find out based on the report what reconciliation has happened and how the reports it will look like. I'll just show you how it is going to see. You can go to banking activities. So I'll just go back how it will show. So you go to Tally Prime Gateway of Tally, click on banking. You can click on banking activities and then you can go to the statement unreconciled and you can say view reconciled transaction. You can just go to the period. Now see, these are the reconciled transaction. You can just go back to daybook. You can select the payment, what all transaction you've done. And now if you see the amount, auto check, view reconciliation information, it will have all the track of the bank reconciliation. It will give you in status reconciled via linked. So all this update will come with a click of button. Once you go to the transaction, it will give you all the information at the same time. So connected banking. Uh, Connected banking will I'll just show you a quick video and then we'll come to that. So now TallyPrime power of banking, seamless connect for your bank accounts and process e-payment transaction with TallyPrime. So I'll just show you in a key highlight like how connected. So e-payments a transaction with TallyPrime. So plus it will give you a bilingual invoice printing now available across GCC, including Kuwait and Qatar. Just play that. So now say you have got a bilingual format where you wanted at times there are some with the need of an hour you can get the bilingual format of your invoices in English and Arabic. We've got both the format. It's a one is simple, one is delivery note and all those detailed format. It can come on the small uh, uh, this as well. If you have a small printer pause and voice also, it will give you a bilingual. So you just have to add all the details in multiple language and it will give you accordingly. Enhance and quick data split. So now for example what happens a lot of time you wanted to do a split of company. So there are questions. I'll just take the question towards the end. We have time for that. We This session is only for 40 minutes. So post that we'll be taking most of the questions. Enhance and quick data split. So now what happens is in an quick data split, error-free data split, more control, faster and clear process and insight. So now, very importantly, so if you're doing a data split, you can keep a record. You can split it between any dates. It will give you all the report before splitting, after splitting, error, and all the data impacts. Also, it will show. It will give you an error free on the data remaining, or if there is any issue or there is any verification which is required, it will give you that as well. More control and faster split, new option from date, before date, into two companies and seamless into split process, saving time and giving you better control. Clear process insight, it improves the split process and represents provide detail insight, make the entry process more transparent and user friendly as well. Now, cloud access. As we started, we were speaking about the cloud access. Cloud, you can with the click with the help of a partner with and with certain clicks you can start using Tally on cloud. So you are using Tally on your system and you wanted to use it on when you're traveling and you wanted to have it on multiple system at the same time. You can you can use it on cloud access. You don't need you can use it in browser. You don't need to carry your laptop. It can just you can with the on the browser you can use it, or a application can be installed on your laptop, and it can really help. It can help in terms of multi-user also. If there are some users who are traveling, who are not in the country, or who are doing work from home or from some other place, cloud access would be a solution. We have this solution from quite a long time. If you're not aware, kindly get in touch with our partner. They'll really help you in terms of setting up things. So, why cloud access, and what are the key points for cloud access? It's reliable, a solution from principal company what Tally is giving, and we have done a tie up with AWS. AWS is one of the world best cloud infrastructure, unmatched privacy and security. 24 by 7 access anytime anywhere, dedicate virtual computer. So a lot of cloud, they don't give you a dedicated virtual computer. It's a license and data isolation from other customer. Private, nobody can access your virtual computer. Data center in UAE, future proof, where a lot of this data is in need of an hour. If you are using if you're using anything on cloud, the data has to be in UAE. That would be the future requirement, and somewhere it has been there are certain bold statement as well. Affordable, anytime and anywhere you can use it. Ownership of data. Your data is always yours. In case of migrating to desktop, continue with the same data. You can click and you can download the data accordingly. Now, TallyPrime 6.0 is live. If you have not migrated, you have to renew your TSS, and you can migrate to TallyPrime 6.0. So this will really help you in terms of migrating. If you are using any feature, if your TSS is not valid, get in touch with your partner. They'll help you in terms of um, migrating to the latest release. Now, I'd like to thank Tally Global entire team for making this session successful. These are their contact details. Now, let's jump to the question, and I'll answer all the question one by one. Let me go to the start. So, can you repeat import? I've done it. Can we okay Vidya Sagar, we have multiple cost center. Can you assist in cost center for each payment? So once you have a bank reconciliation, the moment you go to transaction, automatically there'll be a pop of your cost center selection. You can select the cost center on the payment part. So what I was showing is it was without the cost center, but if your cost centers are enabled, you can do it. Upendra Chaturvedi has a question. Can you repeat full and partial reconciliation and land link? Once you import a bank reconciliation, what we'll do is it will really help you in terms of uh, we'll share the recording soon. And what you can do is, if you have a bank statement, you can just select spacebar and you can link and unlink with the click of button. Now, could you please give an attention if a cost center, Priyesh, have this answer. Import process will I think most of the question my team is there to help you out. So there's one question I have a doubt. Does Tally support UAE corporate tax and VAT functionality in line with local regulation? The first question, Mr. Bipin. So see, the corporate tax is a very huge topic. Just to give you a statement, Tally Prime 6.0 simplifies corporate tax in UAE. But when it comes to the VAT functionality is in line with the UAE laws, and we are the first one to get the FTA accreditation, and it gets renewed year by year. When it comes to the corporate tax is there's a lot of things to do on corporate tax. When it comes to setting up the ledger, that's when you need an expert to set up a corporate tax. But yeah, it will give you all the required documents or require report to do a corporate tax filing. Can the software be used in So the second question is, can the software be used simultaneously at multiple location such as head office and store? Is data synchronization is possible? It is really possible. A lot of customer are taking advantage. What I'll do is, Mr. Bipin, I'll ask Anirudh to connect with you one on one, and he'll help you how to use Tally from the head office to the uh, head office and the what we say branches, how you can use it with the synchronization and or by using a cloud access. Vidya Sagar has a question. If we find match transaction, can we assess cost center in particular at the same time? So, when it comes to the cost center, what you can do is you can select the select the transaction. When you press enter, you have to where when you press enter, it will take you to transaction, and then you can select the cost center. Uh, if not matching found in Tally, it can't be. Yeah. So if we find matching transaction, can we assist cost center? So see, if you have a matching transaction, but there should be some link, either instrument number or the date or the party name or anything. With that, you can do it. Jiju has a question. This system will work in Jordan if we share the bank statement. If you have a bank statement, please share it with our team. We'll try to take it up. I need to link Foodix with Tally. Foodix, I think it's an third-party software. It can be done via Excel import, or if there are any APIs and if you're ready to connect an API, Tally Global team will help you. TDS not working if TDL, I mean, you are saying TDS not working if Jordan, if we change it to India or add on TDN, what we have to do is we have to check your add-ons, Mr. Genu, and then we can help you with that. Mr. Bipin has one more doubt. Tally handle inventory management within the same software. Let me give an one statement to everyone. Tally is a single product organization which can be used by any and everyone. So it has all the features inbuilt in the software. You don't have to pay any single penny extra. It has everything within the product. It has inventory, it has payroll, it has accounting, it gives you business report, it has cost center, it has profit management, it has multiple address, it gives you bilingual, it has POS invoice. So you name it, it has a lot of things. You can use it. Did you know if we install Tally on cloud, do we have to pay for each user? Yes, cloud is nothing but you have to pay user wise, and you can use it accordingly. So I think with that we have answered all the question. If there is anything else, we can take it up. And thank you everyone for asking question. That really helps in terms of uh, understanding what exactly you want, and we can connect and we can really help you on this. The same link, the recording would be available.